Hello YouTube, today's transformation video is on Oma. I'm shaping her eyebrow, then rubbing a primer from House of Tara. Yeah, so I'm drawing the eyebrow. As always, I'll drop the eyebrow tutorial link in the description box, so there you see how to draw an eyebrow detail tutorial. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell and get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, I'm just defining the eyebrow as always. I'm using the black opal stick foundation to define the eyebrow and make it look neat. By the way, I'm featuring a hair today by Alma's Hair, and she is the CEO of the Alma's Hair. So I'm having the privilege of transforming the CEO of Alma's Hair. So just check her out on Instagram. Yeah, as in I've been featuring some of her hair of late. Yeah, like she has very lovely hair. So I'm just defining the eyebrow to make the whole thing neat. By the way, her full name is Oma Sinachia. So she's an indigenous of Rivers State. I got to meet her, like she was among one of those people I got to meet and really kind of developed a good relationship, a good friendship. So I'm just using a brush, a fluffy brush, to just blend out the whole foundation around her eye area, and I'm setting it with a compact powder. I'm going in with my Kisscrow eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette I sometimes find difficult to call them, so the names of the eyeshadow. I'm using one eyeshadow now from Yolihuan. I don't know, I'll just write it in the description box, you will see it. It's kind of it has this like a pink kind of feel. Yeah, it's I'm using it as a transition, in fact all over the eyelid. Yeah, I started it as a transitional shade though, then worked it down to the entire eyelid. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using a kind of a pencil fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I am combining with another eyeshadow that is called Tozi. It's a purple like eyeshadow, so putting purple on pink, you can imagine what we're getting. All right, I'm using a compact powder to just blend out the harsh lines as usual. The harsh lines are things that no makeup artist want to see on her makeup job, so I'm blending it out properly so that everything could be seamless, everything could just blend. You could use maybe a lighter shade of an eyeshadow, but I'm just using her powder, like I'm using the powder, compact powder, her shade, to just blend out everything, just making it okay. I had fallout from the eyeshadow, so I just used the wipe to clean out the fallout. I don't like applying foundation on top of eyeshadow fallouts, I really don't. So I'm cleaning the whole thing just to try and make the whole place look neat. So I'm applying on her waterline. Then I'm going in with MAC foundation. Yes, MAC foundation, that is her shade. I'm applying it to her face. By the way, Oma is a loyal customer of my skincare products. Yeah. You could see how flawless her skin is. So she has a little bit of a dry skin, but she has a very good skin as well. So she's a loyal fan of our It's the signature natural skincare product. Yeah, she uses our products, our soaps, creams, oils. She uses them. Yeah. So I'm just blending in. She has a smooth skin, so I wasn't doing much. I didn't need to cover hair. No. It was just going smoothly, effortlessly. I'm blending it in. I know MAC powder and MAC foundations are very nice, like they blend into the skin. So I just went in again with a beauty blender just to make the whole thing neat. Yeah. So I'm going in with a Color Pop concealer to highlight the necessary area on her face, and I'm going in with the Bronze 708 Marykay foundation. It's a dark shade, just trying to contour the right areas as well on her face. Yeah. Now Colourpop is a concealer that I noticed you need to let it set on the face a little bit before you blend. Yeah, just like Super Stay foundation, but from Maybelline. Yeah, I noticed those products you need to allow them a little bit to sink onto the skin first. So I'm just allowing them, meanwhile buying time as well and contouring her face. No more makeup artists were good at multitasking. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm just blending, contouring the jawline. Yeah, to make everything look seamless, make everything look neat. You know, as I said, these things should not have harsh lines. You always have harsh lines while putting them on, but then it's your duty, it's your responsibility as a makeup artist to blend everything. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm blending in the contour first. Yeah, I'm blending it in. I'm blending it upward. You don't blend your contour downwards, you blend it upwards. Yeah, because when you blend it downwards, it's not really going to give a nice feel, so you need to blend it upward, but not too up. You could just see what I'm doing. Yeah, I made sure I didn't spread it so all over like that, just at the right place, just trying to narrow her cheekbone. Of course, that's the whole idea. So now I'm blending in the highlight as well. Yeah, as I said earlier, Oma has a dry skin, so I'm going to set the necessary areas with a compact powder, and I'm not going in with a loose powder because there's really no need for that. She has a dry skin, so the compact powder did a good job. Like, it was just okay. You understand? With the primer on the face and then with a compact powder, it was just okay. Yeah, because most of the time the loose powder is just mostly to just mattify the makeup, but she has a dry skin, so I'm going in with a highlighter to highlight her cubic bone, the necessary areas, of course, on her face, her cheekbone as well. Yeah, I'm not applying a blush to her. Yeah, just kind of, a transformation without a blush. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm now going in with a lip pencil to define the lip. I told you in one of my transformation video that I like lip pencils a lot. For me, it's a guide. It helps me line the lips properly. So I'm going in with this Stila. Is a lipstick palette. Yeah, so I'm going in with one of the shades from there. It's kind of, the shade has some kind of a maroon feel. Yeah, maroon stroke brown. It's just having that double feel. So I'm going over the pencil I put, so I am blending it in properly with a brush and spreading it all through the lips. So I'm umbering it with this other lip color that's kind of orange color. I would like to say orange color. It has a kind of, yeah, orange. It has a tomato kind of feel shade. Yeah, so it has this orangey feel as well, red stroke orange at the same time. So I'm just arranging, just putting in the right product on the face at this time. Now just putting the makeup all together, using a compact powder to just wrap up everything, hide the harsh lines. So I'm just going over the eyebrow again, just trying, in the process of making the makeup, like a little bit of the eyebrow was touched, so I'm just trying to revamp it. All right, this is her hair. This one of her hair, Oma's hair. Yeah, she's the CEO actually, as I said from the beginning. So this is it. This hair is kind of weavy, coily. So this is our finished look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and expect more transformation videos, right? Okay, this is the finished look. My beautiful Omaya. She's beautiful, like beautiful inside out. Please do check out her page on Instagram. She has amazing hair. And they are quite affordable, though I don't use hair though, but she's quite affordable. I always admire it on those that wear it. It's very fine. You could see it. Very, very fine. Thank you so much. See you in another transformation video.